Hey everyone, it's Bethany Geddes and you're in the kitchen today with Nutritious and Delicious, and we are talking about the topic of being dairy-free. So I actually eat dairy-free myself. I have a lactose intolerance. So I wanted to show you guys today a fresh, healthy recipe that you can do for breakfast or even a snack. So today I'm going to be making acai bowls, and I'm going to show you a short little demonstration of what you can do for being dairy-free. Dairy-free actually improves your skin, and it also helps with digestion. So we actually have some hungry little monkeys here waiting for some food.
Yeah?
Please, I love acai bowl.
You like acai bowls. You also love your smoothies, don't you?
I love one.
And we're gonna have some papaya and some star fruit, which you're gonna try for the first time. You excited?
Yes.
Yay!
It tastes good.
Oh, yummy. That's star fruit.
Yeah.
You love your acai bowl?
Yeah.
Excellent. Yummy. Is it good?